Cells in series, derivation of effective EMF and effective internal resistance of two cells connected in series. Cells are said to be connected in series if they are connected end to end such that the same current flows through each cell. Current through each cell should be same. So let us consider two cells with EMFs E1 and E2, internal resistances R1 and R2. They are connected such that they drive current in the same direction. So let us say A and B are the ends of first cell, B and C are the ends of second cell. So if you replace it by single cell, what we call it as equivalent cell, let us say its EMF is E equivalent and R equivalent is its internal resistance. So it draws current in this particular direction. So if this current is I, this current should also be I. So now our intention is to arrive at the expression for EMF and internal resistance. So now if we consider the terminal potential difference between the ends of first cell, so terminal potential difference across first cell is VAB, that is equal to VA minus VB, that will be E1 minus I into R1. Similarly, terminal potential difference across second cell is VBC, it is connected between B and C, that should be VB minus VC, that is equal to E2 minus I into R2. Now if I take terminal potential difference across the combination, both put together, if I take, so that will be VAC, potential difference between A and C, that should be VAB plus VBC. So VAC is equal to, add these two equations, you will get, let us say this is 1, this is 2, so add 1 and 2, you will get E1 plus E2 minus I into R1 plus R2, call it as equation 3. Now for equivalent cell, it is also connected between A and C only. VAC should be equal to E equivalent minus I into R equivalent, call it as equation 4. Now comparing 3 and 4, what we get? E equivalent is equal to E1 plus E2, call it as equation 5, and R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. So what we can conclude is, if two cells are connected in series, then effective EMF or equivalent EMF of the two cells put together, that is the combination, will be equal to sum of the individual EMFs. Similarly, the equivalent internal resistance is equal to sum of the individual internal resistances. So E equivalent is E1 plus E2, R equivalent is R1 plus R2. So this is the expression for equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance.